In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Photoshop project as a JPEG. Whether you're preparing an image for email, social media, a website, or a quick client preview, saving a clean compressed copy as a JPEG is a dependable way to share your work without sending the full layered file. Start by opening your project in Photoshop. If your document is already open, you're ready to go. Remember that a JPEG is a flattened image, so it won't keep layers or transparency. That's perfectly normal for sharing and viewing, and your original project will remain intact in Photoshop while you make this copy. Next, head to the File menu at the top of the screen and choose Save As. This opens the dialog where you decide what kind of file you want to create. Depending on your Photoshop version and the features in your file, you might see Save a Copy when the current format can't be saved directly as a JPEG. If that appears, it's fine. Go ahead, the flow is the same. In the Format drop-down within the Save dialog, choose JPEG. Selecting JPEG tells Photoshop to create a widely compatible, compressed image that's easy to send and upload. You'll notice that choosing JPEG disables layers and transparency for this copy, which is exactly what we want for sharing. Now give your file a clear name. Use something descriptive so you can find it later. Many people add a version number or a brief note like /web or print to distinguish it from the layered project. Also choose the folder where you want to save it so you don't have to hunt it down afterward. Click Save. This brings up the JPEG options window where you can fine-tune the balance between quality and file size. You'll see a quality slider. Higher values mean crisper images and larger files, while lower values create smaller files with more compression. For most general use, a mid to high setting works well. If you see options like baseline or progressive, baseline standard is a safe default for broad compatibility. Some versions show a preview of the estimated file size. Use that to decide what's appropriate for email limits or website uploads. When you're satisfied with the settings, confirm to finalize the save. Photoshop will create the JPEG and leave your original project open, unchanged, and ready for further editing if you need it. That's all there is to it. Open your project, choose Save As, select JPEG, name it Save, and adjust the quality.